One of the web resources that I've heard about but I've never used is known as the Physics Classroom. It's accessible by just going to any web browser, typing in Physics Classroom, and that's what we're looking for, physicsclassroom.com. Now, I've used other physics simulations, PhET simulations, the Physics Aviary. I have heard other physics teachers mention this resource, but I've never used it, so it's new to me. I didn't take very long to learn how to use it. You just go to it. Once you get there, it looks like that. There are a number of resources available: concept builders, tutorials, and so forth. There's an NGSS section where it aligns the materials that they're covering to the next generation science standards, for example. So it looks like there's some really good resources here that I'll perhaps explore some other time. But I want to look at the physics simulations. This would be lab activities that we can do online. There they are, these interactive physics lab activities that will take the place of doing actual labs, particularly during COVID when we can't be in class. So here I'm going to just choose one. Now this is one that I've looked at earlier as I was preparing for this presentation. One-dimensional kinematics. We'll just take a look at the interactives. You'll see that there are a number of topics that are basic to physics, circular motion, all kinds of things. But we're going to choose this first one, kinematics in one dimension. So basically we're studying motion. And then again, there's different applications or different simulations in each unit. The one that most closely resembles something that I will be doing soon would be here. So this is the one I looked at tonight, graphs and ramps. Then you go to graphs and ramps, you can see it pops up. It is unfortunate there's all these ads on every page, but it is what it is. It's free. So I'm going to launch that interactive by clicking there. And then there's instructions you can see on how to use the interactive and what to do. There are suggestions for teachers written right there. Those are actually, I'll pull that up so that you can see. There's some, they're not perhaps extensive, but there's certainly some suggestions on how to explain or how to suggest or activities that you could do with it. What I want to do, of course, now is show the actual simulation. So we'll choose this one here. How about speeding up? There it is. What we need to do now as a student is we need to figure out how to make our ball follow that map.